Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to change our Google account on Google Chrome Android mobile app. So let's check it out. Google updates their UI frequently. If things look a bit different when you are watching this, please drop a comment below and we will provide the updated steps for this. Our Google Chrome mobile web browser will be linked with the Google account usually, and if we want to switch or change that account, then there is no direct option for this, but there is a workaround. We will see that now. To do this, we have to open the Google Chrome app on our Android smartphone. Then we have to go to this three-dot menu at the top and go to settings here, or we can select the profile pic icon here. It will open the settings. Then we have to select our current Google account. We have to go to the bottom and we will have the sign out option here. Select that. That's all. Now we can select sign in. Here we can choose the required Google account for which we want to change. We have to select this. Continue. That's all. We have changed the account. This is the only way we can do this right now. I hope they change this in the future. I hope they introduce this swipe kind of feature. For example, on our Google app or Gmail app, we can swipe like this to change the account. This would have been nice. These are the steps to change our Google account on Google Chrome Android mobile app. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.